How to change name on Facebook. So if you want to change name on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you've opened your Facebook, now go for the upper right, which has that three dot icon, and then you need to go for settings and privacy and tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go for account center. Under account center, tap on profiles. Once you tap on profiles, here you need to go for the Facebook profile if you like to change the name of Facebook. Tap on Facebook and then go for name, which is on the first option, and here you will have your first, middle and last name. So if you want to change your name on Facebook, then simply remove the last name or the first name, whichever name that you would like to remove, and then add a new name. Once you've added, tap on review change. Once you tap on review change, your name will be changed. So before changing your name, just remember that you can't change it again for 60 days. So that's how you can change your name on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.